Wasalimia M-Pesa sokoni.
Mugithi wa M-Pesa sokoni umunde watinda miena ya Kiambu, Banana, Weteithie na Ruiru kuria amemerekia a Radio Citizen na Inoro FM marai muvarire wa mbere kuthomithia avuri biashara uria mangitumira thimu ciao niguo kwamukira utungata wa M-Pesa.
We are educating our customers, our merchants, our M-Pesa agents on things to do with fraud, data privacy, and over and above that also educating them on different products from Safaricom.
Na nimefurahia kwa Safaricom kwa kuja Banana kwa sababu tumepata ujumbe ambao tumefurahia sana. Sasa kama mimi nimechukua pochi la biashara kwa sababu watu wanafanya reverse.
Muvangori wa gucokeria ngatho atumiria Safaricom, kamboni ya Safaricom ni ravangite mucemanio mwena wa Strathmore niguo gucemania na atumiria ayo.
Sasa zinabadilisha maisha. Tumetoka mbali, si ndio?
Makiria ma matereva 300 magera na kanyaga kwamukira kithomo kia uruti biashara na nginya uria mangitumira mitambo ya kiriu niguo gukuria biashara riciao kuvitukira jukwaa la Sapphire Connect.
They have the right tools, they have the power to connect, creating networks through the communities we bring together today, giving them the power to access our services and our solutions, and giving them the power of research and innovation that can help to scale their businesses.
Imenisaidia sana because now I will be able to make more money, and then I will be able to track where I'm going wrong with the finances.
Rosio mugithi uyo wa M-Pesa sokoni ugakorwa miena ya Mlolongo, Kitengela, Isinya na Kajiado kuria ugakorwa ukithie na mbere gukungwira miaka 18 ya utungata wa M-Pesa guku bururire. Ngirivotera Inoro TV mbetagwa Mary Wanjiku wa Wanja.
Wasalimia M-Pesa sokoni.